So here's an already made example of a robotic arm that I want to show you as an example of how to use scripting in your applets to make it even more functional. So what this is a model of a robotic arm. So sort of these are two mechanical handles that are connected here, and I can change these angles phi and psi to move around. So I can change phi from 0 to 180 degrees, and I can change the angle psi also from 0 to 180 degrees. And with this I can trace out the whole, well, this whole, what is it, region. And you see already, as I change these angles, the values of x and y change. X and y are the coordinates of this point. So I want to show you how this works. So if I go into the settings for the slider phi, I go into scripting, and here I have a little GeoGebra script that sets the values of the coordinates. I call them x prime and y prime because x and y are reserved for special purposes. And here are the expressions in terms of u prime and v prime, which are the actual names of the variables phi and psi under the hood. And I also set the coordinates of the point A, which is this point there, to x prime and y prime. All right. There's also, yeah, so these things are done via construction, these two handles, but the point itself and the coordinates x and y are set via these scripts. So the interesting thing now is that actually also these sliders here, these are sliders, not just static variables. So I can change them and have phi and psi change accordingly. Whoop, well, you see, when I get outside the range of this parameterization, then these sliders disappear. And I've implemented this by, again, setting the coordinates of A, just updating A with the values x prime and y prime, and then here implementing the inverse mapping from x coordinates to the u or v coordinates. And what's really cool is that I can actually even drag this point here and have it figure out the angles phi and psi needed to reach this point. So if we go into the script for this point, on update, you see that I also have implemented the back transformation for this parameterization.